Okay, so what day are we on? So I'm on my final day of this adventure, and I'm in Canary Wharf, as you do. Not quite the top of Sears Tower, but it's still what, 40 floors up. So here I am, yeah, overlooking London, and you, beautiful, absolutely amazing. It's like I could be in a Guy Ritchie movie, couldn't I? Eh? You know, it's fabulous. So yeah, gonna head down to Borough Market now, I think. Get the boat or something, and then sort of head back and do some bar hopping around along the riverside bars and stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Okay. See you later, chaps.